confident.
Doug, where are we?
Lanark. We're in the valley.
You are a good man.
You are a better man. Oh my God, and strong.
Ooh! Oh! Oh, I like that. I like that. Doug! This is definitely one of your local parks, huh?
Been a couple times. I'm trying to have fun. It's hot.
Killing it.
That's it. Mom, did you see it?
That was interesting.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
All right.
Pressure, you better do it.
Better land it, Nigel. Oh!
No pressure. I'm not gonna land it. I tried it.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Dr. Pepper in hand, ready to go.
Happy to see you.
Yeah, you too.
God, he is so good.
Vinnie is one jacked individual.
Oh, that felt so weird. That was cool though.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I am loving it.
Yeah. Yeah. Jeez. Ooh. Oh, wow. Yes, Nigel. Doug. Going for the gold. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I'm still getting this. I'm sorry. I know it's far. It's far. I know. But you can see it. Doug is still nose manualing. He's still nose manualing. I'm still getting it. I'm still getting it. He's still going. Oh, he messed up. Whew. Wow. Damn. That was money.
That was tiring.
I don't know where I was gonna go to begin with. We'll end it right here.
I mean, yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay, Dougie.
That counts.
Okay, Doug.
Oh! Woo!
Okay, Doug. We got some fans over here.
Hi.
Hi, you two.
How long have you guys been watching our videos?
A while, dude.
Pound it, pound it. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Whoa. Yeah, Nigel.
All right, Braille Army, we are here today with Doug Des Autels, Nigel Jones, and Jason Park. 3 absolute legends. We are at Lanark Park, and they're gonna play a flat ground game of skate. It's Lanark. I'm sorry, okay?
It's
The
Lanark.
locals all collectively just said it's Lanark, and now I feel bad.
All right, Rochambeau.
Paper.
Oh.
Oh, Nigel.
Rock. Paper. Rock. Yeah! He actually calls out what he's gonna do. That's funny.
You're fully representing Braille right now. You know that, right?
Sorry, guys.
Nigel, that's a letter for you, my friend.
Yep.
Yes, Doug.
Yes!
Yeah! Ooh.
Douglas Yancey, funny.
Oh, wow.
Douglas Yancey, funny.
Nigel, yeah!
Just for Brian Ames.
Ooh, the,
Oh, no pop.
who do you think is the best one out of all 3?
Honestly,
Come on, you can say it. You can say it.
I think Jason Parks is the best,
Okay.
to be honest.
Okay. What do you think?
He is right.
Probably Jason.
You guys are smart.
Douglas.
I still love you, Doug.
Oh, you had it. Yes. Yeah.
Oh. Wow, Nigel, you never land that.
Hey, naughty boy.
Nigel has come to play. Oh!
Aaron, don't watch me.
Switch heel. I was right.
Ah, I just did one too.
Dude, look at that roll away. That was incredible.
Not how to switch.
Oh, Jesus, Doug. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, wow.
Oh, no.
I think I've done 2 of these ever.
That was actually a very good attempt, Nigel. I'm proud of you.
Oh, missed the pop. Have mercy. Have mercy.
Doug! Yes. So I have another question. If Doug wins, does that mean Doug is the best?
Honestly, in my opinion, no.
If he wins, it'll be like even.
You got a lot of pressure. These 2 harsh critics over here. Oh no, look at you, jinxed him. If you said that he would have been the best, he would have landed that. That was really good, Nigel. I'm proud of you.
Oh, I missed.
Ooh. That was good.
Oh man, hold on, I got one more.
That's good.
Not on a front.
That's good. Under pressure.
No way.
Doug choked. Oh. Oh!
I can't do it anymore.
Nigel, Aaron is watching.
I know. Can't do it anymore.
Oh. Doug, how you feeling,
I
Doug?
want to play.
Why?
Because every letter I could land it.
You did a
See, right now, outside the comments, they can be like, oh, this guy's pro, what a joke.
Did a rocket nollie flip, and I can't do any nollie heel variations.
I'm just glad I got to skate with these two, because that's insane. Like, he's got a board with his name on it, and he's got a board with his name on it. I'm just some dude. That's awesome.
You guys were right.
Jason is the best. I mean,
Jason is the best.
I hope you guys enjoyed this epic game of skate between 3 amazing skateboarders. You can follow all of these beautiful men on Instagram, link in the description below. And you can subscribe to this channel and like and leave a comment down there. Thank you for being amazing, and for you and you.
Nigel, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gabriel.
Beautiful man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hola.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
All of those thank yous translated to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We've had a blast here in LA. These skate parks are amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed the change of scenery. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know what skate park you'd like us to go to next, and we will see you in the next video. You guys are the best.